everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some new and luxury pieces I've picked up over the last month. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and also subscribe if you're not already. Just gonna get straight into the video and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is the most exciting one of all. It is a new Chanel bag. Well, it's not actually new, it's a vintage piece, as you can tell by the packaging. This has been on my wish list for a while now, and I put this bag on my manifestation mood board at the beginning of the year, so I'm so happy that I'm holding it right now. Before I do open it, comment down below what bag you think this is or what colour you think this bag is. I feel like some of you will know or guess correctly. This is the medium classic flap in white with gold hardware. I absolutely love this bag. After getting my black one and just loving how classic it is, and I just love everything about the Chanel classic flap, I was on the hunt for a white one. I didn't realise how hard it is to actually find a white Chanel bag vintage. They're quite expensive. A lot of the ones that I found were the same price as a brand new one, until I found this one from an Instagram seller called Bottega Veneta and Coach. She's based in France, and if you are interested in buying Chanel vintage bags, I would always recommend purchasing from France. In my experience, it has always worked out cheaper. For some reason, France has a really good vintage rate for Chanel bags, and this is where I also got my large jumbo vintage bag from France, not from the seller, from the actual store. I am so happy with this. I'm so excited to style it. It's in such good condition. I was honestly surprised. Like, the bottom of it is in amazing condition. The corners as well are pristine. The inside of it as well is in also really good condition. It also comes with the sticker inside and then the authenticity card, so I am really happy with this, and I just think this is going to be such a beautiful bag to style up come spring and summer. The only other white bag I have in my collection is my Jacquemus one, which is not actually a very wearable bag, so this will be a really nice bag that I can actually wear and take on holiday with me, and I'm so excited. Although I think I might actually get this sent off to the restory to get this repainted in a white, just to give it another lick of life. It's not even a word. So just to put these two bags side to side, they're the same model. Obviously this one is brand new, purchased this year, and this one is a vintage one. And I absolutely love the look of vintage bags. I love how the coating becomes flattened. That was one of the reasons I actually wanted to get a black vintage, but I just had to get a brand new. Anyway, I feel like I'm getting off track. These are the two side by side, and I think now I want to get a coloured one, so like maybe a green or blue or a pink Chanel bag, because I feel like I have the neutrals. I have so many black Chanel bags, definitely not going to be purchasing any more black. Let's put her here. Oh, so cute. Next up we have a new pair of shoes. These are from Bottega. These again were another one on my wish list. On my Instagram in January I posted like a photo dump of all the things that I want this year, and this shoe was on the front of it, and I finally have it in my hands now. I'm just going to show you. I've actually worn these shoes because I was so excited when they came I had to wear them. It is the Bottega stretch sandals in the nude cream leather with raffia. I think this is the perfect summer shoe. I absolutely love the raffia detail, and I think they're going to be so perfect for all my summer outfits. I can imagine wearing these on holiday. They're just the perfect neutral pair of heels. I also love that the heel height is not too high, it's at a really comfortable height. The bottom of it is actually has that padding or grip, which makes them so much more comfortable to walk in and wear. So I feel like I'm definitely going to get so much wear out of these heels, and they're just so beautiful to look at. The square toe is not everyone's vibe, so you would either love this or hate this, but I absolutely love this, and I feel like I want to get the green version of these as well. I'm on a bit of a green hype at the moment, but yeah, I think these are just so gorgeous. They are so comfortable to wear because I have worn them already. I'll insert a picture of me wearing them, and I feel like they're going to go with so many outfits because they are just a neutral pair of heels. And also another reason that I wanted to get these was because I literally live in my nude mango mules. I wear them so much, so I felt like I needed another pair of nude heels for the spring summer season, and these were just the perfect pair. They look perfect with trousers, jeans, dresses, so they are just the perfect basic pair of heels. Then the next thing that I got is from Louis Vuitton. It's not a pair of shoes or a bag, so I'm just gonna open it up and see if you guys can guess what it is. I got myself a Louis Vuitton agenda. I feel like this is probably the most random, unexpected luxury purchase ever. This was a treat, like a gift to myself for accomplishing something and doing something, which will all be revealed in the next month or so. But yeah, I wanted to get an agenda because I feel like my life is so busy right now. I have so much going on, and I have a notebook that I like write my to-do lists in and organise everything in, but I really wanted to treat myself to an agenda. So I started looking at the Louis Vuitton agenda and I did some research, and I was actually originally going to buy the medium-sized one until I watched some videos on YouTube and actually fell in love with the large one. It's the large agenda in the Louis Vuitton monogram print. It's got the 6-ring binder, and it's got this really beautiful like brown leather inside. I absolutely love this, and I love that the ring binder is in gold. I'm so excited to start buying some inserts. On YouTube I've just been watching like diary planners. I didn't realise how many different like agenda inserts you could buy. I'm learning all of these new terms like dashboards, inserts. I feel like now it's gone off my head. Anyway, I need to buy some inserts for these, but I was just waiting to unbox it in this video. But I'm so excited to start getting organised, and this is just such a gorgeous piece, and I feel like this is something that I will keep forever. I've seen a lot of these on the vintage market, so I know that this is a piece that I will have for ages, and I love that every year I can use it, as opposed to a diary that you would change. You would have to buy a new one every year. With an agenda, you just have to refill the inserts. This was actually sold out online, and it's sold out most of the time online. I had to get this through a sales associate, so if you do have an SA in Louis Vuitton, or you can reach out to one, that's what I would recommend, because these are really hard to get online. And then the last thing I got is something from Coach. This is actually my first ever Coach purchase. I've never purchased from Coach before, but there is a little bit of a background story to this purchase. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this if you've seen my stories, but for those who don't follow me on Instagram, you should, by the way. I'll just quickly tell you the story. So basically, I had a dream about this bag. It's a bag. I had a dream about this bag, although I had never actually been interested in this bag prior to the dream. So I had seen this bag a couple of times on Instagram, but like kind of just on the explore page. I've never actually clicked on it and seen the bag properly. And then one night I had a dream that I was in a store fighting another lady to get this exact bag, and in the dream I was so in love with this bag, and I woke up the next morning and I was like, I need this bag. Like in the dream I was so in love with it. I was fighting with this lady for the bag and I needed it. So I woke up the next morning and I went onto Google. I didn't even know what the bag was called, so I had to like do a lot of like random Googling, and then I found the bag, but it was sold out in the colour I wanted everywhere. Like every single UK store was sold out in the colour I wanted, and I was like, that's typical. I had to have a dream about a bag that was impossible to get. So I put my story and I said, guys, like I had a dream, I need this bag, please someone help me find it, because the fact that it was sold out everywhere made me want it even more. And then Coach actually reached out to me. I didn't even tag them in the stories, so it's crazy how social media works. But anyway, Coach reached out to me and said they had found one of these bags in the Regent Street store in London and I could actually purchase it, and they gave me a 20% discount code to buy it. So obviously I had to get it. So this is the handbag. It's the Coach Pillow Tabby in the green colour, and I love this bag so much. It honestly does feel like a pillow. It is so soft and so squishy, and the colour for me is just what sells it to me. As I said, I'm obsessed with the green colour and I don't own any green bags, so I felt like this was definitely a necessary purchase, and it's also at such a good price point. So it's £495, which I think for a designer bag is so good. I'm also really interested in the cream colour. I've been seeing the cream one online and I love the cream colour as well. Someone asked me what I thought of this bag and I was saying it actually reminds me of the Bottega pouch bag, because the leather feels so similar and it just gives me the same kind of vibes, but obviously without the price tag. So it comes with the long straps. This is with the strap on. You can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. I think I'm going to wear it on the shoulder though mostly. But it just goes to show you how the Coach marketing really works, because this was marketed everywhere and they used loads of influencers to wear this bag, and I was never actually like interested in it, but obviously my subconscious mind had taken in those images and I started having dreams about it. I think this is going to be a really hot bag for 2021, and I think the price point makes it really accessible, so it's really good for people who are interested in buying their first designer bag, or if you're like me wanting to buy a bright coloured bag but not wanting to spend thousands on it. This is also a good option because now I get to wear it, and if I don't wear it that much it's not as disappointing as if I bought a Chanel bag in green, although I do want a Chanel bag in green. It's very spacious, so inside you have two sections and then you also have in the middle a zip section. The inside is leather lined as well. It has the Coach stitched on inside in brown, and then it also has this padded like keychain. Is that a keychain? What are these called? It's like a padded Coach tag, and it's in gold hardware, which is beautiful. I think the gold and the green work so well together, and I'm just honestly really chuffed with this bag. It's such a comfortable bag to wear. It just sits really nicely on the shoulder. I love this so much. I just can't get over how squishy it is. It honestly feels like a pillow. I also love that the leather is smooth, but it doesn't feel like it will scratch easily. I just think this is going to be a very popular bag for 2021. Okay, so that is the end of the haul. I didn't really pick up a lot. I've only got 4 pieces, but I feel like I've got 4 really good pieces that I'm really excited to incorporate into my spring summer wardrobe, and I feel like the main highlight of this video was probably the Chanel bag. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!